with high enthusiasm and strong participation from members, reinforcing chapter right. For SBNEC Kuya Logo, sir, as a part of ongoing effort to boost chapter visibility and camaraderie, the committee wrote up the SBNEC Kuya Logo, sir. The shirt designed the pictures of symbolic presentation of our brotherhood. For fund utilization, the income generated from both the varsity jacket and the Kuya Logo shirt project has been directly used to support the chapter community outreach activities. These funds are able to carry out of meaningful initiatives such as the Every Home Mothers during Ramadan iftar participation and direct assistance to fellow Kabayani's. For closing statement, the Vision remains committed to developing creative and sustainable projects that not only generate necessary funds but reinforce our identity and values as Eagles. Thank you so much.
Hopefully you have more gimmicks to come, so we can still raise funds to support our future endeavors. Kuya, you have heard the report of the Committee on Ways and Means. You have heard the report of the Committee on Ways and Means.
Move the motion that the report as we approved.
Thank you, members. Jerry, thank you. But Kuya, you have heard the motion, you have heard the report, and have to remove a motion by Kuya Birds and seconded by Kuya Jerry to adopt the report of our good chairman of the Ways and Means. Any question? Question. All good. No, lagi ka na. Sabi wala ako. All in favor of the motion, please use one side of voting. All in favor, please use one side of voting, and all opposed at the same time. Tingnan, motion carried. Alright, moving on to the next committee. Pasensya po kayo, ganyan magtrabaho kay SBNEC for the last 4 months. Tahimik lang, but we have more plans on the table. Our public and personal relation committee. At the same time, the committee on talent kaya kailangan po engineer, please, report please.
Good evening, Kuya and Ates. Our Personal Relations Committee is honored to present its report highlighting key engagements and initiatives that foster stronger ties among members, other clubs, and greater community under the banner Brotherhood, Camaraderie, and Purpose. This is our highlights of activities and representations. Representing with honor, SBNEC at the Bahrain Noble Region Oath-taking Ceremony, dated February 7, 2025. SBNEC proudly represented the club at the regional Oath-taking Ceremony, demonstrating our active participation and commitment to the region's unified goal. The PGB SBNEC 2-month Scramble Golf Tournament, A Swing for a Cause, dated on March 4, 2025. In collaboration with the Pinoy Golfers Bahrain, SBNEC co-hosted the successful charity golf tournament. Proceeds supported the ANCOM Scholarship Program, emphasizing our mission to serve and uplift through our partnership. Birthday party at BGC, a swinging celebration of brotherhood and gratitude, dated 31 March 2025. A unique blend of fun and fellowship, this golf gathering was held in celebration of March birthday celebrants. It was a vibrant reminder of the joy that comes from shared moments and mutual appreciation. Farewell dinner for Kuya Don. a heartfelt send-off to a true brother, dated May 15, 2025. SBNA hosted a heartfelt dinner to honor the departure of Kuya Don Dones, recognizing his invaluable contributions and reinforcing that once an eagle, always a brother. Unprecedented call to action, dated June 8, 2025, a special initiative and response effort reflecting the club's readiness to mobilize in times of need, demonstrating that brotherhood is not just a word, but a duty in action. And lastly, the Bahrain Noble Region Talakayan, strengthening unity and chartering the future. June 12, 2025, SBNIC took active part in the regional dialogue via in-person and online participation. It was an opportunity to engage with fellow clubs and national officers, reinforcing inter-club collaboration and strategic planning. The Personal Relations Committee remains committed to strengthening the bonds of fellowship within SBNIC, across the region, and beyond. Each engagement, gathering, and initiative reinforces our shared identity and mission as proud members of the Philippine Eagles. We will continue to build bridges of connection, guided by service, unity, and the spirit of brotherhood. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Thank you, President. Kuya, you have heard the report of our committee chairman for personal relation. You heard the report. Kaya talaga. Kuya mo, kuya. Ano nagpa-practice ka kung dadabi? Kuya mo na. What did you say? That's how we train our kuya po. Para mamaya.
I move a motion that the report of Kuya Junag Quinton, the Committee on Personal Relationship, be moved to the
This is the no worries. Paul and Gerald. No worries. That's how we train our kuya. Pag kayo mahila, tayo dito. Mga kuya, the report of Committee on Restoration of Platform will move a motion by Kuya Albert, seconded by Kuya Paul and Kuya Gerald, to be accepted and placed on that side. What say you? Is there any question? Question. All in favor, please show your usual side voting. And all opposed, would say right. Hindi na singan, motion carried. The last committee, the of the transition. Welcome back, Kuya Henry. Sa paggaling sa bakasyon po, hopefully tama yung report mo. Ang chairman of the committee on membership. Your report, sir? Yeah.
Magandang good afternoon po sa ating lahat mga kuya ate. It is my duty and honor to present to you our report regarding the membership committee. The membership committee respectfully submits the following report. First is the membership status. As of this date, the chapter has a total of 27 members enrolled. However, membership adjustments have occurred due to the following changes. One member has permanently departed and returned to the United States. Second, one member has been dropped due to non-payment of dues and non-attendance of regular meetings.
We brought it out during our executive meeting. But for me, initially, I would prefer to do it in its month. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi sa Eagles po, it is our duty as a region to promote it to our club. So all your activities, all your write-ups, lahat-lahat po na ginagawa ng club ay sa club mismo natin ipopromote. So, for me, I would prefer, without any further discussion, point of discussion ngayon, without any further discussion, maganda galing sa club. Kaya nga, pinapalakpakan ko kayo kasi this is the first time that nakuha ko yung idea. It might be
Share mo na naman sa...
shared to our national and you will also be, maano kayo doon, sisikat ng tayo. Anyhow, congratulations, maganda. Siguro may complete discussion or elaboration, but so far, that's fine. But I have to discuss with the Executive Committee of the Marinbon region para yung ibang magkakaroon din. Because we need to see what are other purposes and of course, during our chartering, lalo ngayon December, may chartering tayo, of course, magagamit natin ito. And our delegates from the Philippines, we have more or less 70 delegates, inshallah. Yeah. So, yan, that's pag makikita nila parang kakaiba. So, wala, congratulations, mabuhay ang Southern Panginoon Political Club. Mabuhay ka na!
Please note on that one. We'll wait until that time. Gusto natin gawin din yung work club, but as far as the SPNX is concerned, pwede lang tayo mag-initiate. Also, we have complete membership information. Ika-canvas na lang natin siya, more or less, will not go beyond 4 billion. It will be a good souvenir for us. Pagpapicture na kayo ng maganda ngayon. Kasi, kinuha na ng picture natin. 3 years back yata yun. So, may parang present, take advantage, right? Punta kayo sa sulong yan, mag-take na kayo ng mga
Ganda ang kulay. Dusty blue. Ayan pala yan. Ganda no. Ganda.
Next business kaya, business? Unfinished business is not lending grant, then we'll have to remove that one from our unfinished business until Kuya Dino is our point of contact for that one. So, parang things, what's Kuya Dino? Kuya Dino, please. Kuya Dino is our point of contact for that lending grant. So, just keep us updated Kuya.
Regarding the blood bank for the SPNX collaboration with Philippine Nurses Association. So, we cannot have this at this time because it's summer. So, we will have time to address this.
Yan yun ang bring up.
So, almost all of the collaboration and including these families are almost already approved. So, inshallah, we'll make it even as October. Sorry, November. Okay. That's it. For the report for the collaboration with the Philippine Nurses Association.
Thank you for update Kuya. Next on business, Basket continue, Basket holding team, we will cancel that one.